Are you also ready for Uncle Eddie? All the way from Migori. Put your hands together for Nyathi Nyakach hitmaker, Uncle Eddie. Karibu sana.
Inade sana.
Inade.
Antim.
Angoma ni nene Nyathi Nyakach. Wan gi Nyakach moro ka iluongo ni Jidi. Nyakach in the house. Nyakach in the house. Nyakach in the house. Wow. Makoro. Angoma ni neno kuom Nyakach. Kitemori. Uncle Eddie and Ngawa. Maybe jogi ongei. They just came across you on TikTok, on YouTube, and that's why we also invite you on the show so that ngama okungeyo kata gima nyalo ngeyo about Uncle Eddie, they also know so that they can support in one way or the other.
Okay, first of all, erokamano kuom invitation. Fans bende asanteni sana kuom biro. Nyinga iluonga ni Edwin Ochieng and Jamigori.
I love your song.
Ajasona Katega. Kore music kati iluonga ni Uncle Eddie. Ana machwako Nyathi Nyakach malicha.
Oyane akapela, chwakeane akapela. Maunge.
Lungi nande anie. Lungi nande ani mama. Nyathi Nyakach iluonge banjo mama. Amiera na mama. Bibi daki kete tugo toto.
Hey. Samane thumni owuok sana there were a lot of criticism ni ikopo duond Prince Inda. En adier koso miriambo?
Okay. Ka Uncle Eddie manitie. Koro anabuwe about Uncle Eddie. Yeah, koro penjo mipenja na onge gi duoko ne. Ma en Uncle Eddie. Ma sauti mar Uncle Eddie. Yes, koro
dongo winjo ka en duonde adier. Ower kendo. Nuone gi Nyathi Nyakach kendo.
Kera lungi nande anie. Kera lungi nande anie mama.
Wow. Uncle Eddie.
Yes sir.
Ija kanye baba. Dong mano mare.
Okay.
Jadi mawacho ni mano duonde. Wow. Kata wasini uye ni mano duondi. Otaka Jackson nitiere. Otaka ma duonde. Approve. Bas. Otaka ya Nyasaye wuora.
Uncle Eddie.
Gine ija kanye ne ngama samoro kongeyo.
Okay, Uncle Eddie en ja Katega. Katega ni Suna Migori.
Migori County in the house. Your Migori in the house. All right. Wow. So kanye kama intiere koso gisani to iwuotho kigocho across the country koso in best kanye sani. Nenga okay. Samoro nyalo dwari.
Bez mara pod yudore Migori town. Kibiro Migori town ntiere hotel moro iluongo ni Gili. Kanye mabese. Ng'enyne boda kanyo unless kido kaonge mana pango show oko. Yeah.
Wow. So ne promoters and everybody magombo mondo mi Uncle Eddie or perform in the events, maybe wedding, inaweza kuwa ni birthday, it can be any function, inyalo invite Uncle Eddie, but he's based in Migori. Uncle Eddie, ingeni kanigolo Nyathi Nyakach, tiyudo ka ng'ato dhie YouTube, to yudo ka Nyathi Nyakach chakende mantiere. Thumbe moko wayudo tich adi, kata what's your plan in terms of more songs, albums?
Okay. Ne wapango kelo Bombshell. But kalore gachiel ariyo adek nok nyalre no release mana thum adi.
Thum achiel
lakini nwatimogi severally.
Yeah.
Kanyo chilunga kana koni ni otemore maber nikech okorore gi time maboyuda Nairobi. Gima ne kela Nairobi maduong' kani poksimi luonga. Ne en biro loso thumbe manaweyo studio. Koro gik thumbe mabeyo ntiere studio.
Yeah.
And mane gima natimo chakre nyoro kawuono.
Yeah.
To gi tarik 8 chieng' manabiro.
Yeah.
Koro ang'eni by dwe mar adek ka wangusha gik mang'eny seriously mamit.
Wow. Jadi marito Uncle Eddie, wapi makofi yake? Thank you so much. Wow. And we wish you all the best for Monagi show. Chieng' ma wabiro Migori County. Donge Uncle Eddie ber kocha kobiro kendo. Kako wayude dala, si ndio? Of course, we'll be in Migori County in September. after starting with the Kisumu in April. This year we want to make sure we perform in all the 4 counties of the Luo Nation, and then we come back, but we will be coming back after every show in Nyanza. Uncle Eddie,
yes.
Kawatieko, ikoni gimbithigolo video kosogin mana audios.
Okay, abro golo audios, but date more the lando mar release gi, wabo release video bendadi. Achiel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Ngama samoro dwari social media, YouTube channel is Uncle Eddie.
Okay, kidwara Facebook, angi fans page mara, ibo manya ni Uncle Eddie. Then YouTube ibro yuda Uncle Eddie official.
Yes.
TikTok Uncle Eddie official.
Yeah.
Instagram Uncle Eddie official.
Guys, I want you to do me a favor. Courtesy of Onagi Show. If you are online right now, just go to Facebook or whichever app that is your favorite, and tafuta Uncle Eddie. Eddie with E-D-D-Y. Sindio?
Exactly.
And then you follow him. Yeah? Yeah, anaimba.
TikTok Uncle Eddie official.
Yeah, Uncle Eddie official. Let's subscribe to his YouTube channel. Let us support him. Let's grow him. Let's make him big as he should. Sindio? Wapi makofi yake tafadhali. Now, as he wind up, as he give us his last performance, I want to recognize the presence of Mwalimu Prince Toby, who's also a musician. We'll make sure that we invite him on this stage in our future shows. Mko tayari kumwona? Sindio? All right, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, my super DJ, if you are ready, we will be ready with Uncle Eddie. One more time.